Hi guys, I just did a video showing you I picked this paper plane kit pack up in a charity shop. Cost me £1.75. Makes 60 planes from vintage BEANO covers, templates for 20 different designs, and so I reckon I might do a little series of 20 paper planes. Although I'm in two minds as to whether to use the paper, because it's collectible, really. They're lovely. 2012 copyright, although the actual designs come from quite a bit earlier. 1980 on that one. I saw 73 on another one. What I'm going to do first, though, is there was 3 that had obviously been assembled, folded incorrectly, so I might see if I can do those ones as the first designs. Here's the actual instructions for all of them. So this one, November the 15th, 1980. November the 15th, 1980. That's the instructions for that one, but we should just be able to follow the folding instructions. I'll clear a space and we'll do this. So this is actually model number 6. I expect I could iron it to try and make it perfectly flat, but we'll just see if we can get away with it like this. First fold. And fold it. I guess that's supposed to fold the opposite way. Let's see if we can flip that over. Well, hang on. If I follow the folding order, that's different. We'll try and follow the instructions. Fold the top corners down along line 3. There's line 3. You can't see it. How can you do this? I'm going to have to do it the other way up. There's no way you can follow the instructions. This is going to be inside out. should be able to put them right again by just refolding it the other way round. This way we'll at least get the scores in the right place. Right, now that I've got them folded, we'll do it the other way round. So that's that one. Okay, done that, done that, done that. Hold the wings down. It's got a cut in it for some reason there. And then finally, do those go up or down? I know it looks a bit wrinkly because I've used the one that was already folded up. That is the design. It's probably not fair to try and fly that where it's been all bent out of shape, but we'll try it. We'll give it a try in the garden. It's a nice afternoon. It seemed very tail heavy when I test flew it in the conservatory, so I've added 2 paper clips. Still looks a bit tail heavy, but we might be able to trim that out. Well, that was a fairly good flight towards the camera. I'm looking at it and I think I could have folded it the opposite way and then would have had the design on the top instead of the bottom. So, very confusing. Anyway, 2 paper clips we definitely need because it's much too tail heavy otherwise. Well, there we go. We got the money shot eventually. So I say, I think I should probably have folded it the opposite way. So that's on the top, not the bottom. But the instructions were confusing me. And that was design number 6. I've got 2 paper clips on the front because it was tail heavy, and I also ran a bit of super glue along some of the joins to stiffen them up because it had been pre-folded the wrong way, like those lines along there. So there we go, number 6. So these will all be out of order. Number 6 out of 20. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.